Good day to you all. Welcome back to this another session. So for the previous class or for the previous note, and I was explaining some component of computer system and how computer system is. So for this network, we can explain something about network. Like what I was said. If I say network is what? Is linking to almost system in terms of what exchanging signal from one system to another system or from one terminal to what to another terminal. That's what you mean for what network. The way you can connecting system or connecting whether using wireless or using wired in terms of what exchanging signal from one system to what to another system, we can call that one as what network. So there have types of network. Number one, personal area network. If I say personal area network, this is the smallest one. This is the most smallest one because we can use from Bluetooth to another Bluetooth. That is, let's say for instance, you have two phone or we have Bluetooth, normal Bluetooth, you know it as in head Bluetooth. So we can use that one to connect from your mobile phone to what to Bluetooth. That one we can call it as what personal network. That's why it's not beyond to what 10 meters. That is, the range is not beyond to what 10 meters because it will not take long. It will not take long. It will not take too far between one time between device to what to another device. That's why we can call it as what personal, and it is very small network. Then the second one is LAN network. LAN network, this is a network that used to connect from one building to another building. That is, this one we can call it as what? It will repass in a what? Geographic place. Let's say, for instance, we can build it from one home or school. We can use LAN network. We can connect it from this room to what? To another room. And all these computers are used to linking to exchanging data between what? Between that system to what? To another system. So this one can take a what? We can call it as what? Some large. It's not a large, but it's beyond, it's more than personal network. That's why we arrange this thing accordingly. So this one is more is beyond than what? Personal is beyond that personal network. So this one we can use to exchanging data between the same to one place to another place, and sometimes it will repass in a what organization, school, office, college, university, and other places, because it will take what from one room to another room or from one home to what to another home, such as at least it will take, you can connect some different system, you can connect many system on this thing, because you can at least we can cover some difference or many system in terms of what exchanging data between what between one system to what another system. We can use it to connect system, we can use to connect your terminal, we can use to connect your some different kind of what system in terms of what exchanging data from one system to what to another system. So if you check this in, we can see some example here now. We can see they have terminal system and then workstation, and they have what another system, and this one is a hub, and then this another one is a what is a printer, while the other one is a what file server, and all these one are used to what to exchanging data. They are linked. If you check, we can see some connection there. You can see some connection that connecting between both of them, and all these systems are used to connect to exchanging data between what between this device to what to another device, or between this terminal to what to another terminal. Then the third one we can the third one is man network. We can call it as a metropian network. Sorry, metropian area network. So this is a network that used to connect, is in between LAN network to wide area network. This is a network that used to connect between LAN network to what? Wide area network. We can call it as a wide area network, and it's not a wide area network because it will be in between. Let's say, for instance, if LAN network can take 4 room or 4 housing, and then wide area network can take like 20 or 40. So while man network we can take man network can take like 7, 8, or 9. So that's why we can call it, it will be in between LAN network to what? To wide area network. And this is a network I used to cover some places. If you check this in, we can see some of these example like ATM, like fiber distributing data, because it some of the man network I used to connect some fiber. The fiber are used to be underground in terms of what exchanging data between one terminal device to what to another terminal device. That's why if you check this in, we can see some example here now. We can see this one like is like an office, and then the other one is office, and then here is housing, and then here is what is another housing. So we can use to connecting in a what in a specific place in terms of what exchanging information, linking. We can just link them into the what into different housing in terms of what exchanging or sharing information among of these poor housing. So that's how this man network is used to exchanging to exchange something between different houses, to share information between one house to what to another house, and between one house to another house, between one terminal to what to another terminal. So this one we can call it as what man network. So if you check this, we can see it. This one is in between man network to what to LAN network, like I said. So this is the area wide area network. Wide area network, this is a network, like I said, we can call it as what it's a it's a wide area network. Some of them we can call it as in we can call it as a national network. Some they are call it as national network, because if you check some 3W, they have www wide area network. The first wide is from this place. The first W, that 3W, www dot maybe protocol, some so this thing to forming a what website. So that first wide is because of what? Sorry, is forming from this place wide area network. So wide area network is just a network that used to cover some country or state in terms of what exchanging data between what between different housing, between different houses, different or many houses in terms of what exchanging information or sharing information and amount of them. Particularly, we can use it to what to forming some different many system to exchanging data or to share information or to share some different things to in terms of what to be as in particularly network. So that one we can call it as what wide area network. So if you check this, we can see some example here now. We can see they have some three system in one place, and they have three system in one place, and they have three system in one place. Well, in the middle, we can see like four device that used to connect the all these three system in terms of what exchanging information, in terms of what exchanging information between this device to what to another device, and between this device to what to another device. So that's how wide area network is. It will use to cover wide widely places. There's something the place that is so wide like city, it used to cover some different places in terms of what exchanging data or sharing information or sending information or other things in terms of what exchanging data between what between one place to what to another place. So let's see some brief internetwork. If I say internetwork is something used to be as a network of a what network. That is, if I say if I say network of a network, sometimes this question, so many people can ask me, what do you mean for this network of what network? So if I say network of network is like it's like internet, simply means like internet, because it's just a planet that used to be as in exist network to be as in network. That is one network to be inside or in that network. Let's say for instance, let's see which one is part of this example. Okay, let's say let me use smallest network like personal network. So we know that if you are using mobile phone to connect your from Bluetooth to your mobile phone, that one we can call it as a personal network. But when you're using to making call, that one is a what? It's network in network, because you can use Bluetooth to connect your mobile phone to Bluetooth. What is making call? That making call that you did that you do it is part of what? Network. Because we need to be what? Connecting two or more device, but in a what? In a different places or different country. So that one is another network. So that one you can call it as what? Inter network. So that internet work, it will be some, they have some different things that we need to be knowing apart for this thing. So maybe for the next class, I will explain this thing. If you so deeper on this thing, we can explain this network, um inter network. So that is a brief explanation for this thing. So maybe we can so continue in the next time. So that's the shortly things that we can explain this thing. So please, if you have a question, like I said, we can contacting me on my WhatsApp number. That is 09043 280448 or 07042156675. So the facilitator of this program is Engineer Nasser Suleiman. If you have more questions, please you can contact him. Thank you.